Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your pajama and ice skating attire in Heartopia. So go to your watch, go to dress up. So for pajamas and ice skating, you're going to select this icon right over here. So here you can change what your pajama is going to look like when you lay in your bed. And then for your ice skating set, there's only shoes, like the ice skating skates. I don't know why I said shoes, but you can change it. This is the basic one, and they have the other ones which you are able to get when you get points in your dreams. So there's the ice skating dreams here. As you can see, I'm at expert. I think you get the pink one when you've reached 850 points. So yeah, keep skating. That is how you can change it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.